ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा तटस्थ लक्षण यावल्लक्ष्य का what is the लक्षण for तटस्थ लक्षण
तद्भिन्नत्वेषबोधकत्वम्
यावल्लक्ष्यकालम् अनवस्थिते सति तद् व्यावर्तकम्।
तद भिन्नत्वे सति तद बोधकत्वम् और यावल्लक्ष्य कालम अनवस्थितत्वे सति तद व्यावर्तकम तद व्यावर्तकत्वम्। टीका स्वरूप लक्षणे अति प्रसंग निरासाय सत्यंतम सत्यंतम पदम इज व्हाट
यावल्लक्ष्यकालमनवस्थित
यावल्लक्ष्य कालम अनवस्थितत्वम्. So if it is yavalakshya kalam avasthitam, then it will become swarupa lakshana. So in tatastha lakshana it is said yavalakshya kalam anavasthitatve sati tad vyavartakatvam. लक्ष्यावृत्ति तादृश धर्मे अतिव्याप्ति निराकरणाय व्यावर्तकम. लक्ष्य अवृत्ति तादृश धर्म. If such dharma is there in lakshya, and if it is also there in, if it is not in lakshya, lakshya avritti means that which is not in lakshya. So this is a vyavartakam. Vyavartakam padam means if it is given only this much, yaval lakshya kalam anavasthitatvam. So then the lakshana will go in alakshya also. Here they have given lakshya avritti tadrisha dharma. Lakshya avritti, actually what is meant is alakshya vritti. Lakshya avritti means alakshya vritti. In alakshya also lakshana will go if only this much is given. Yaval lakshya kalam anavasthitatvam. And therefore they have given this is also a vyavartakam. स्पष्ट प्रतिपत्त्यर्थम लौकिकम अपि उदाहरति. फॉर स्पष्ट प्रतिपत्ति नाउ he gives a लौकिक दृष्टांत. यथा गंधवत्वम पृथ्वी लक्षणम. गंधवत्वम पृथ्वी लक्षणम. So this is called tatastha lakshanam. Gandhavatvam prithivyaha lakshanam. Why it is tatastha? Why is it not swarupa? महाप्रलये परमाणुषु उत्पत्ति काले घटादिषु गंधा भावात. This is not swamata, huh? This is paramata. In Tika they have given paramatena aha mahapralaya iti. Then ubhayamatena aha utpatti kale. Actually, both are paramata only. Utpatti, this vakya, utpatti kale ghatadishu gandha bhavat, Vedanti doesn't accept these things, that in utpatti, utpannam dravyam, ekam kshanam,
Nirgunam Priyam.
tishtati. Vedanta doesn't have this. This is also paramata only. And in Mahapralaya, Paramanu, Vedanta doesn't have Paramanu. This is also Paramata. So both are Paramata only, not Ubhayamata, that you remove. So according to Nayayikas, in the Mahapralaya, Paramanu will not have Gandha. And in Utpatti, Ghata Adi, Prathamakshana, they will not have Gandha, any Karya. Prakrita Brahmanas Tatkim iti ataha. Now we are into Prakrita Brahma. Prakrite Brahmani cha Jagat Janmadi Karanatvam. Prakarana is going on of Brahma. So Prakrite Brahmani cha Jagat Janmadi Karanam. Tippani 1 and 2 both are about some part Veda only. We don't have to worry. Brahmani Jagat Janmadi Karanatvam. Or Brahma, Brahmanaha Jagat Janmadi Karanatvam, that part is also there. That is Tatastha Lakshana of Brahma. So Brahma is Jagat Janmadi Karanam, is Tatastha Lakshana. Atra Jagat Padena Karya Jatam Vivakshitam. And what is Jagat? By Jagat Pada, Karya Jatam, Karya Samuham Vivakshitam. Tika Mayaderapi Jagad Antafpatitvat. Aha. Mayadi, they are Jagataha Antapati. They are part of Jagat only. How? He says, Atra Jagat Padena Karya Jatam Vivakshitam. If you say Jagat Janmadi, so Maya Janma, Maya means Maya Karyam you have to take. Because Maya has no Janma. So only Karya Samuha, Karya Jatam Vivakshitam. So Jagat means Karya. Its Utpatti Sthiti Laya is because of Brahma. And Jagat Upadana Karana, if you take as Maya, that Brahma is not its Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam, but Brahma is Adhishthanam for that Maya, Ashraya. Tika Kulalādāvati Vyapti Varanaya Jatam iti. Kulala Adi Jagat Padena Karya Jatam Vivakshitam. So karya jatam karya samuham. So otherwise in kulala also there will be ativyapti. Kulala means
पार्ट मेकर, निमित्त कारण,
nimitta karana. In nimitta karana also there will be ativyapti. So here you have to take only karya matram ityartha. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी तथा च घटादि मात्र जनकेषु कुलालादिषु यावत् कार्यजनकत्व अभावेन न अतिव्याप्ति इत्यर्थः. So when karya matram is given, then घटादि मात्र जनक kulala. Karya matra is घटादि matra. It's janaka kulala in that yavat karya janakatva is not there. Yavat karya janakatva means all karya whose janaka. So kulala is not yavat karya janaka. Kulala doesn't have yavat karya janakatva. In other words, if you take, you understood what is happening here. If you take Jagat as only Ghata, let us say, then Ghata Janmadi Karana will become Kulala, which is the Nimitta Karana for Ghata. So, Jagat means Ghata, which is a Karyam. Jagat Janmadi Karana will become Ghata Janmadi Karana, which will be Kulala. So you are trying to do Lakshana for Brahma, it will go in Kulala. Kulala is also some part of Jagat Janmadi Karana. So as he said, not any Karya. Karya Jatam means entire Karya Samuha. So now Lakshana will not go in Kulala. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कारणत्वमपि प्रधानादि साधारणम इति अतः. And karanam is also pradhanadi sadharanam. Pradhanadi sadharanam means that karanatvam is pradhana means prakriti of Sankhya, etc., which is also karanam. If you say Jagat Janmadi Karanam only, Jagat Janmadi Karanam is Pradhanam also according to Sankhya. Right? So Lakshana should not go there. So he says Karanatvam cha Kartrutvam. Ato avidyadau na ativyaptihi. Karanatvam is taken as Kartrutvam. So Lakshana will not go in avidyadi. In other words, here Karana, we want to take it as Nimitta Karana. Because Kartrutva will not be there in Upadana Karana. Kartrutvam will always be there only in Nimitta Karana. So Jagat Janmadi Kartrutvam. By Jagat Karya Jatam, Karya Samuham. Karya Samuhasya Janmadi Kartrutvam. This will become the Lakshana. कार्य समूह मीन्स एंटायर कार्य प्रपंच, इट्स जन्म आदि, जन्म स्थिति लय कर्तृत्व. So then there is no ativyapti in avidya also. According to Sankhya Mata, Pradhanam is Upadana Karana and Purusha is Nimitta Karana. So then Lakshana will not go in Pradhanam also. Further. Evamapi Katham Nirasa iti ataha. Okay, but how there is Nirasa of Avidya? Because you said Avidyadi, Avidyadav na ativyapti. How there is no ativyapti? So he explains now. Kartrutvam cha तत्तद उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञान चिकीर्षा कृतिमत्वम. तत्तद उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञान चिकीर्षा कृतिमत्वम. तो एनी पदार्थ that is created, कार्य, तद विषयक उपादान अपरोक्ष ज्ञान, then चिकीर्षा means kartum ichha, desire to create that karya, and kritimatvam, where the prayatna is there to create the vishaya, create the karyam. So jnana, ichha, prayatna. This is what the Nyayas, they say, Ishvara has. How many lakshanas, how many gunas are there in Ishvara? Ishvara, how many are there? Muktavali student.
8.
वायुर्नवैकादश तेजसो गुणा जलक्षिति प्राणभृतां चतुर्दश दिक्कालयोः पंच षडेव च अंबरे महेश्वरे ष्टौ मनसस्तथैव च. दिक्कालयोः पंच षडेव चांबरे महेश्वरे अष्टौ. In Maheshwara means in Ishvara 8. 5 sadharana, संख्या परिमाण, पृथक्त्व संयोग विभाग, and these 3. Jnana, Ichha, Prayatna. These are the 3 given here. Aparoksha Jnana, Chikirsha, and Kritimatva. One number tippani. Tattad, it is given. Tattad upadana. Tesham ghatapatadi karyanam upadana karanani. Kapala tantwadini. तद गोचरम अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम चिकीर्षा कृतिश्च अस्ति यस्य. तस्य भावस्तत्वम. So घटपटादि are कार्य, कार्याणाम उपादान कारण घट का उपादान कारण कपाल, पट उपादान कारण तंतु, कपाल तंत्वादीनि तद गोचरम, तद विषयक अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम. So because Ishwar should have jnanam of all these, so upadana vishayaka aparoksha jnana. Then chikirsha, Ishwar will create kapala tantu etc. Then manushya will create ghata, pata etc. Upadana karana, somebody has to create for all this. That is Ishwara. So aparoksha jnana, then chikirsha, and then kriti. So chikirsha means it is based on the samashti jiva prarabdha also, not only his ichha. kritischa asti yasya tasya bhavas tattvam. What is the question?
Swamiji, these gunas are mentioned as gunas of Atma also. Jnana, Ichcha, Prayatna. In
But-
their matam.
Atma
Yeah.
doesn't have the 3. Atma has 8.
But
Nine.
they are
Jivatma has
Divya.
9. No, Jivatma has 9. Jivatma has 9 plus 5, 14.
Yes, Swamiji, but is there no overlap between Atma and Ishvara? Guna.
You tell me. Jivatma also has jnana ichha prayatna. Ishwara has jnana ichha prayatna. What is the difference?
Are we talking about Samashti Vyashti?
Jiva's jnana is nitya or anitya?
Anitya.
And Ishwara's jnana is?
Nitya Dhyan.
Nitya jnanavan. Nitya jnana ichha kritimatvam. Ishwara has nitya, these 3 gunas. So then the question will be, okay, if you just say tattad upadana gochara aparoksha jnana chikirsha kritimatvam, so that lakshana will go in jiva. So you have to add that to jagat janmadi. Jagat janmadi aparoksha jnana chikirsha and kritimatvam is not there in jiva. That is only Ishvara. Is it clear?
Ji Swamiji.
Atra pramanakankszayam aha. Now somebody will ask, what is the pramanam? You say that Ishvara or Brahmana tatastha lakshanam is jagat janmadi kartrutvam, you said. And kartrutvam is tattad upadana gochara aparoksha jnana chikirsha kritimatvam. So now it is jagat janmadi upadana gochara aparoksha jnana chikirsha kritimatvam. How will you explain? Oh, let's finish the tippani 1. चिकीर्षा कृति च अस्ति अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम चिकीर्षा कृति च अस्ति यस्य तस्य भावस्तत्वम. तस्य भावस्तत्वम कुलालादिषु लक्षण समन्वय. इन कुलाल घट उपादान कपाल विषयकम प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम घटम करिष्यामि इति चिकीर्षा कपालद्वय संयोजिका कृतिश्च इति. In Kulala, so your question is also answered. For Ghata Upadana, he has Aparoksha Jnana Chikirsha Kritimatva. Kapala Vishayaka Jnanam Ghatam Karishyami iti Chikirsha. So Chikirsha will be about some Karya, and Prayatna will be to connect that Kapala Dvaya and create Ghata. So like that, when entire Jagat Upadana Aparoksha Jnana Chikirsha Kritimatvam is there, that is Ishvara. Pramanam is Ishwarasya Tavat Upadana Gochara Aparoksha Jnana Sadbhave Cha Yaha Sarvajnyaha Sarvavit Yasya Jnanamayam Tapaha Tasmadetad Brahmanama Rupamannam Cha Jayate Ityadi Shrutir Manam. Ishwarasya Tavat Upadana Gochara Aparoksha Jnana Sadbhave. Ishvara is Tavat Upadan. Tavat means Tattad Upadana Gochara Aparoksha Jnana he has. In that there is a Shruti. Yaha Sarvajnyaha Sarvavid Yasya Jnanamayam Tapaha Tasmadetad Brahmanama Rupamannam Cha Jayate. And in Tika, every pada is explained. Sarvajnyaha Samanyataha Sarvavit Visheshataha सामान्यतः सर्वं जानाति इति सर्वज्ञः विशेषेण सर्वं वेत्ति इति सर्ववेत्. Then Brahma means Karyam Brahma, Hiranyagarbha. So there Tasmad Etad Brahma Nama it is given. And whose Tapaha is Jnanamaya Tapaha. Jnanamaya Tapa is not explained here, but in Mundaka we have studied how Purva Srishti was. That Purva Srishti Jnanam he recollects. And then in this Srishti, everything happens in the same krama. Surya Chandrama Saudhata Yatha Purvam Akalpayat. So Brahma means Hiranyagarbha here. Nama Rupa and Annam. Nama Ghata Ityadi. Rupam Shukladi. Annam Vrihi Avadi. Annam you can take as Antim Vikara. Annam you can also take as Virat. Because Hiranyagarbha is Samasta Sukshma Srishti. Virat is Samasta Sthula Srishti. So then from that comes Hiranyagarbha, then all the Nama Rupa in the form of Sthula Srishti. Nama Rupam Annam. Yaha Kala Kalo Guni Sarvavid Yaha. This is another Shruti. Ityadi Shrutihi Adi Padartha. Some other Shruti also is quoted. Kritimatvam. Kritimat is Matu Pratyaya. यस्माद् आकाशादिः स आत्मा कामितवान् इच्छां कृतवान् बहुधा भवेयम् इति. यस्माद् आकाशादिः, that see yasmad is panchami. Sometimes there is a question in Taittiriya Upanishad, for example. It is said tasmad va etasmad atmanah akasha sambhuta. Or this is in Brahmanandavalli or Bhruguvalli, yato va imani bhutani jayante. Both are in Panchami. Tasmat also, yataha also. But in Kaivalya, how it is given? Mayyeva sakalam jatam, mayi sarvam pratishtitam. It is in Saptami. So what is the difference? From me everything has come, in me everything exists. From me, when you say Panchami, Apadane Panchami, Vrikshat phalam patati. This is Panchami Vibhakti. In Karaka Prakarana it comes. But Vriksha and Phala, they are two different entities. Phala can exist without Vriksha once it is separated also. But Jagat is not like that. Jagat is always in Brahma. It is not going away from Brahma. So that's why to show this aspect, Saptami is used. Even though it seems there is Utpatti, that Karya is still existing in Karana only. It is not away from Karana. So here Panchami is given, but you should keep these things in mind. Yasmad akashadihi sa atma kamitavan. Yasmad brahmanaha akashadi saha atma kamitavan. That atma did the kamana. Ichham kritavan bahudha bhaveyam iti. That is given. Tadrisha chikirsha sadbhave so kamayata. This is the quotation. Akamayata saha atma akamayata kamitavan. For what? When this chikirsha desire was there to create Jagat, Hiranyagarbha, Virat, etc. Bahusyam prajayeya. Katham ekasya bahudha bhavanam iti ataha. How one can become many? Katham ekasya bahudha bhavanam. So in akamayata, what is the lakara?
Lang.
Lang lakara. And in prajayeya,
Vidhiling.
what is the dhatu?
Jani Pradurbhave.
Jani pradurbhave. Vidhiling. Which rupa of vidhiling?
Uttam Purusha Ekavachana.
Uttama Purusha Ekvachanam. Because it is Uttama Purusha Ekvachanam, what it means is Aham Bahusyam Aham Prajayeya. So three Kriya Padas are there. Akamayata is one. Syam is second. Aham bahusyam. I will become many. How? Aham prajayeya. I will manifest. I will become utpanna. Because it is Uttama Purusha Ekvachanam. Praga Upasarga Purvak Jayeya. So I will become many. I will manifest as many in this one. Bahusyam Prajayeya. So Prajayeya in Tika Utpadyeya. I will manifest. Some other Shruti because Adi Ityadi Shrutir Manam. In Chikirsha, he gave one Pramanam. In Jnanam, he gave one Pramanam. Tikakar gave one more for Jnanam. For Chikirsha, Tikakar says, Tadaikshat Ityadaya Shrutihi Adina Upadeya. Adipadena Tadaikshat. Tad means Tad Brahma. Further in Moolam, Adrisha Krutaucha Tanmano Kuruta Ityadi Vakyam. And in its Kriti, means creation, Tanmano Akuruta. This Vakyam is Pramanam. Tanmano, Tat means Brahma. That Manaha Akuruta. It created mind. Another Shruti Uddarana, Tikakar gives. Sapranam asrjata ityadya Shrutihi Adina Upadeya. So 1 Uddarana Mulakar gave, 1 Tikakar gave. Tadaikshata is Chandogya. Sapranam asrjata is Prashna. Yah kala kalo guni sarva vidya is probably Shvetashvatara, but you can check. It's not. What is to be recognized or what is to remember is this. Tattad upadana gochara aproksha jnana chikirsha kratimatvam for the entire jagat. Tika, Tippani, second number Tippani. Rupamannam cha jayate. Third number Tippani is on Tanmano Akuruta iti asya vakyastha tad padasya artham aha tikakaraha tad brahma. That means tad brahma. That is number 3. Jayate iti shesha. Vrihiyavadi jayate. There you have to add. Namarupamannam jayate. Okay. Tritayam in Moolam. Jnanechhakratinam madhye अन्यतम गर्भ लक्षण त्रितयम इदम विवक्षितम. Among Jnana Ichhakriti, Jnana Ichhakritinam madhye अन्यतम गर्भ लक्षण त्रितयम. So what is part of the lakshana? Tatastha lakshana. Is it jnanam? Is it ichha? Or is it kriti? So he says all three. All three means the one who has jnanam is Brahma. Who has Jagat Janmadi Jnanam is Brahma. One who has Jagat Janmadi Chikirsha is Brahma. One who has Jagat Janmadi Kritimatvam is Brahma. Three Lakshana you will have. Anyatha Vyartha Visheshanatva Apattehe. Otherwise the Visheshana will become Vyartha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.